Hello, this is Tyler with Appliance Service by Paul, located in Salt Lake City, Utah. We're going to walk you through the proper steps of how to replace the lid switch on your washing machine. Okay, in order to access the lid switch on your washer, you need to remove the two side brackets. After you remove the two brackets, there's two screws, which we've already removed, Phillips head screws. Pull those out. The control panel will lift up and rotate backwards. Now, in order to access the lid switch, we need to disconnect this plug here, the Molex plug. Just lift out and the plug undoes. And then you can get a flathead screwdriver, little poker type tool, and release these brackets. From there, the washer will come apart, and then you can get access to your lid switch, which is located right under here. Okay, now the best repair for a lid switch is just to replace it. They're made out of plastic, so if they break, there's no real repair for it. So what we need to do is remove this 5/16 screw. Once we have that removed, then we can come inside the lid, and there are two Phillips screws that come into the top of the lid switch. Once we have those removed, the switch is free to pull out. There's a couple brackets located up underneath. And then you have the Molex plug that just pinches in. Sometimes you need to get a little tool, flathead screwdriver, to help release the plastic brackets. And out comes the lid switch. So once you have your new lid switch, you're just going to reverse the steps. You're going to start by placing the switch, bracket, lock the tabs in place. Next step that I like to do is take the actual lid switch, and we're going to put the two Phillips screws back into the switch and hold so that it'll hold it in place, so we can then attach the wires. And then the rest goes back in reverse. Again, this is Tyler with Appliance Service by Paul. We've just walked you through the proper steps of how to replace the lid switch on your washing machine.